If you're looking for the best golf rain suit, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Helly Hansen Men's 7J Waterproof Rain Jacket. This one is available in tons of colors and many different sizes, from small to 5X large, so that you can pick your favorite color and the perfect size. The construction material of this great suit is 100% polyester, and thus it is expected that this one will provide 100% water safety. The adjustable fit and zipper protection will allow you to use this suit not only in golf but also in many other activities. The breathable fabric of the suit is beneficial for using it in any weather condition. This particular rain suit is going to be fully seam sealed for boosting your convenience. Besides, the line for comfort, quick dry lining, fixed hood, one-hand hood adjustments, front storm flap, YKK zippers, adjustable cuffs, bottom hem cinch cord, anti-chafe chin guard are going to increase your comfort to another extent. Moving on to the next at number 2 with FootJoyHydroLite Rain Jacket. The main function that a rain suit should have is the waterproof compatibility, and this one is going to be 100% waterproof for your convenience. The breathable protection of the rain suite is going to provide you the comfort in any weather you are playing golf. The attachment of 4-way stretch is going to provide you the freedom to swing, even if when you are wearing the suit. The hydraulic system of the rain suit will be beneficial for any wet weather. Besides, the scorecard pocket, seam seal technology, waterproof zipper, and versatile construction of the suit is going to ensure the perfect freedom of golfing in any rough and tough weather. The number 3 position is held by Adidas Golf Men's Climaproof Heather Rain Jacket. This one is available in 5 different colors so that you can pick your favorite one. The construction material of 100% polyester is going to provide you protection from rainy weather. Another benefit of this special rain suit is that you will be able to wash it in the machine without hindering its fabric's quality. The attachment of Climaproof is going to give you comfort in any kind of weather. This one is fully seam sealed and comes with waterproof zipper protection. Next at number 4, we have Nike Academy 18 Men's Rain Jacket. This one is available in 2 different sizes and 2 different colors. The polyester construction of the suit is going to provide you the protection from any kind of rainy weather. The zipper closure of the jacket is going to ensure the perfect fitting and comfort in any weather. The fully seam-sealed compatibility of the jacket will be beneficial for increasing comfort to another extent. Besides, the adjustable cuff and the lightweight construction of the jacket is going to give you the perfect freedom of swing in any rough condition. The number 5 position is held by Adidas Golf Men's Climastorm Provisional Rain Jackets. Another great product from Adidas, and this one is available in 3 different colors so that you can pick your favorite one. The polyester construction of the jacket is going to provide you protection from any kind of rough weather. The breathable fabric of the jacket is also going to enhance the comfort level while wearing the jacket. Full zipper closure with a mock neck construction will ensure that the jacket perfectly suits you. The side seam pocket of the jacket will allow you to keep small instruments in it. Besides, Climaproof technology will be handy for protecting you from the wind. If you are worried about the cleaning process of the jacket, then we are going to let you know that we'll be able to clean it through the machine. The number 6 position is dominated by Underarmour Men's Gore-texapaclitea FC shirt. This one is available in 3 different sizes and 1 particular aesthetic black color. The water-resistant construction material of the jacket is going to protect you from the hindrance of the rainy season. The UA Storm technology of the jacket is going to ensure the breathability, which will increase the comfort of playing. The Gore-TX construction will also work for increasing breathability. Besides, the windproof construction of the jacket is going to protect you from wind force. The adjustable hem and cuff are going to increase your productivity. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Marmot Men's PreCip Lightweight Waterproof Rain Jacket. This particular jacket is available in 6 different colors and 5 different sizes so that you can pick your favorite one. The nylon construction of the jacket will be beneficial for water protection. The PreCip construction will increase the breathability for perfect comfort. 100% seam-taped construction will allow you to make a perfect swing even if you are wearing this jacket tightly. Roll-up hood gives it authenticity, and the pack pockets will provide extra space for keeping small instruments. The number 8 position is held by Mizuno Golf Waterproof Impermalite F20 Rain Jacket. Mizuno has a wide variety of waterproof rain jackets for golf, but the Impermalite F20 is the latest addition and the best. It has an Impermalite of 20,000 for maximum waterproofing and breathability. The Mizuno Golf Waterproof Impermalite F20 Rain Jacket is more of a hybrid because it has removable arms. This means if it's rather warm but still raining, you can remain covered but still allow for air to flow through the jacket. Mizuno has also ensured that this raincoat is as lightweight as possible and even comes with a pouch to store it in. This means it can be stored within your golf bag just in case the weather takes a turn for the worse. Overall, the Mizuno Impermalite F20 is the most practical waterproof jacket for the money, and you will not be disappointed with your purchase. Next at number 9, we have Puma Golf Long Sleeve Rain Popover. This Puma waterproof is more of a jumper than a jacket, as the zip is not full length, which may interest certain golfers more. It is made from 100% polyester that is waterproof to 10,000 mm using Puma's patented Storm Cell technology and a 3-layer knit membrane. The shoulder area has been designed to be slightly larger than you would expect. It has been developed in this fashion for golfing performance to allow the best comfort and optimal freedom of movement during a golf swing. As with the Adidas waterproof jacket, the Puma Golf Long Sleeve Rain Popover is a very cheap alternative. If you are looking for more of a jumper-style waterproof, this would be the best buy. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Underarmour ArmourStorm Rain Jacket. Under Armour are known for their hardcore clothing in golfing, as well as other sports such as rugby, and much more. It is the thickest raincoat within this article and is rated at 10K/25K. The ArmourStorm waterproof jacket is very high quality without the expensive price tag. Personally, I find that this is the most attractive raincoat for golf on the market, with both blue and black colors. The Under Armour Golf raincoat can be used not only for golf but for all occasions. It is the best golf waterproof jacket all-rounder that ticks every box, but the lack of color choices and thickness may put golfers off it. That's all for today. We upload sports product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.